All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what I'm going to be breaking these things on is the 180-day 4-hour time frame, so you guys can get a better understanding of the overall direction and how they have recently pulled back. Like you guys know, I like to focus on three things: consistent patterns, I like to focus on the overall direction, and of course the third thing is a good deal. Those are my set list of criteria. One of the things that I want to remind you is just because I talk about a specific stock and I see value in it, in no way does that ever mean that you should as well. My goal throughout any of these videos that I make are for you to cherry pick the one that you resonate well with, add it to your watch list, set your alerts if any, right? And follow up with it when it makes sense. So I really hope that throughout this video I get you one step closer to your overall goal. And if I do, please consider dropping a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. There's a series of different stocks that I want to talk about, and all of these are presented to you because of the Learn Plan Profit Group and how we came together to break down a selective number of stocks. QCOM is one stock that I personally find very attractive due to its previous performance and continuous and ascending uptrend pattern. Due to its recent pullback after making 180-day highs, it is testing the SMA support. It has tested the SMA support multiple times, and it has validated that support as a pretty strong support range. It doesn't mean that it has to make a reversal now. It just means that it has in the past, and this is why we're paying attention to it. Based off of where we're at right now to previous highs, it offers a little bit over a 10% return. So you can see why a lot of people are seeing potential on QCOM as of right now. That's QCOM. I would set my alerts for the break above the EMA line and follow up with it when the direction is in your favor, especially if you're under the PDT rule. The next one is going to be Walmart. This one isn't one that moves as aggressive or that offers crazy returns, but it's very, very consistent, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have been to Walmart, right? So how cool would it be to be able to make money in something that you personally partake in? As of right now, overall 180-day highs are right around 157, a very common resistance range right around 155, and right now, based off of this recent pullback, we're again testing the SMA line. I like how consistent, I like how it's been ascending over the past 180 days. As we all know, it is still not easy, but it's much easier when the overall direction is in your favor. So as we are approaching this potential support level, let's set those alerts, and based off of where we're at right now to previous highs, that's about a 4% return. Again, it's not a crazy return, it's just consistent, and it's been very, very bullish for the past couple of months. And if you've been someone that's been struggling in growing your account, maybe taking a step back, learning how to walk before you run, and focusing on stocks with consistent patterns and overall long-term growth might be something or a step in the right direction. The next one is going to be LULU. LULU. This one recently pulled back to, again, the SMA line, and this was due to earnings based off previous highs right around 379 to 380. So when it hit overall lows to previous highs, it wasn't a bad return. It was about 10%. Now we are testing this potential reversal at the EMA line. So this one's, I think, the closest to showing signs of a potential reversal, just with its activity today going back and putting it back in the green. So LULU with the very expensive leggings. Again, a little joke that I said yesterday during our Sunday stock talk is last year I bought my sisters those like $100 leggings. They're super expensive. How cool would it be that if I trade LULU, I'm able to make a couple $100 off of it, and then I can just use that profit to, buy some leggings if I'm going to do that. Well, I don't think I'm going to do that this year, but if you guys haven't, then again, if it meets your criteria, you can set those alerts, add it to your watch list, and follow up with it when it makes sense. The next one that I want to talk about is CPRT. This is Copart. It's been, again, very bullish for the past 180 days. You guys can see that it found a support level here at the SMA line. You can see that it took a very long period of time for it to consolidate, find a support level, and finally is now showing signs of a potential reversal. Due to where it is that we are as of right now to previous resistance levels, again, nearly a 10% ROI based off of current patterns. It doesn't mean that we have to get there right now. It doesn't mean that it's going to reverse right now, but this is, again, something that's been very bullish, very consistent. It was a little bit more on the oversold side, and based off of where we were to, overall highs, it offered a little bit more of an attractive return. So this is why I thought I would personally talk about it. And the last one that I'm going to be talking about today is CGC. So this one has recently pulled back. It's been very consistent for the past couple of months. Overall highs at 29.85. One of the things that I want to remind you is, as of right now, it's getting rejected off of this EMA line. It's making lower lows and lower highs. the more patient you are, the more it could potentially bleed. I would just set your alerts, see if we actually get proper indication of that reversal, indication of that uptrend, and if so, then maybe then we can, follow up with it when the overall direction is in our favor. And of course, that is about a 10% ROI once it breaks above the EMA line and according to overall highs. So on average, a majority of them offer at least 10%. Walmart, as an exception, offering a little bit less than that. And again, that one's just a little bit more on the consistent side. So I wanted to change things up and following up with our Sunday stock talk, although we did cover a lot of great stocks during that specific live stream, I like to kind of be a little bit more selective, and I know a lot of you guys like these videos. So if you guys want me to continue to make these videos in the future where they meet 3 specific criteria of overall ascending uptrend pattern, very consistent pattern, and that they're a good deal, all we ask you is to drop a thumbs up. I'll provide you guys with a quick little update, especially on my Tesla position. Tesla is absolutely killing it right now, and I've been selling off a couple of my shares. I'm up nearly $4,000 on the day alone just on Tesla, and Peloton is actually pulling back right now. I was up over $1,000, actually $1,400 profit on this. I sold off some of my shares as we hit highs of 123. That was actually during the Learn Plan Profit live trading session. So now it's pulling back. It looks like it's almost making lower highs and lower lows. So something for me to pick up on, but my position size is a lot less. So altogether on the day, I'm up a little bit over 3,300, and I'm very, very grateful. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to stay connected. If you guys haven't joined our free Facebook group, we have 294,000 members. It's absolutely for free, and it's that first link down below, and you can join our free Discord chat as well. You guys heard me talk about them. They're the only group that exclusively get to watch me trade live every single day. So if you like the way that I break things down, if you like my trading style, and you would like to watch me trade live every day and work with me on a closer basis, I only offer this Learn Plan Profit group and the Learn Plan Profit lesson library. So if you want to learn more about it and what's included, click the second link down below. You can scroll down. We have a video that breaks down everything that's included so you know what to expect. And if you want to get a taste of what it's like to watch me trade live, scroll all the way down, watch me trade live every single day, but you guys can get a taste by watching this video just so you have an exact example of what it is to expect during our live trading sessions. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be what drives your success, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.